Tahimik mong ilaban ang mga plano dahil kung may natutunan man ako sa buhay, yun ay hindi lahat ng nakapaligid sa iyo ay masaya kapag umaangat ka. Hindi lahat ng pinagsasabihan mo ng mga plano ay masaya at isusuport ka. This is a hard pill to swallow, but believe me, there are people who want you to feel. People who make friends and relationship as a competition. Kaya sana this time, tahimik mong ipanalangin at ipanalo ang mga planong nasimulan mo. It's okay to set boundaries and privacy about your life, and you don't need to apologize about it. It's okay and it's valid.